Welcome to English with Moqadas. In this video, I want to elaborate to a common expression that they are so useful and practical and we can use them in our everyday English. So what's our first expression? Our first expression is no noise out of somebody.
Quiet, you're going to get caught. Not another noise out of you.
No noise out of somebody, it means to say shut up or be quiet, and saying be quiet is more polite than saying shut up. For example, no noise out of you, I'm reading. Another example is, hey buddy, I'm watching TV, no noise out of you.
Quiet, you're going to get caught. Not another noise out of you.
Okay, great. Our next expression is get lost.
Get lost.
Can't see who
Get lost! Shoot!
Get lost is used to tell someone forcefully and quite rudely to go away, and we can use it when we are busy to talk with someone or when we are not in the mood to talk with someone. For example, get lost, I'm not gonna talk to you anymore. Or, he's such a ridiculous man that I don't wanna encounter him. Tell him, get lost.
Get lost.
can't see who
Get lost! Shoot!
So guys, I hope you have learned something useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. See you in next video. Bye bye.